So what we're going to do is find the GCF, that stands for greatest common factor, of these two numbers, but first we're going to find the prime factorization of them. So we're going to start with 700. This is when we make our factor trees. So what are two numbers that multiply and make 700? Well, off the top of my head, I can think of 7 and 100. 7 is prime, so I circle it. 100 is composite, so I can keep going. Two numbers that multiply and make 100 is 10 and 10. Keep going with those. 2 and 5 make 10. 2 times 5 make 10. So I have my prime factorization for 700. And I'm going to write it up here. It's 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Those were all the numbers I circled while I was making my factor tree. Over here I got 40. First thing that comes to mind is 8 and 5, but you can make your factor tree differently. As long as you end up with the numbers at the end, it's okay if you got there in a different way. So what I have is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So I start with my prime factorization. Now I'm going to go to my Venn diagram. Make a Venn diagram with two big circles, plenty of room in the middle. This is going to be my 700 circle, and this is my 40. I write in, I'm looking for first the numbers that they both have in common. So they both have this 2, and they have this 2, and they have a 5 in common. The things that they both have, I'm going to put in the middle. A 2, they both have a 2, and they both have a 5. The 700 has this 5 and this 7. And those are going to go off to the side here. And the 40 has a 2 that's left. Now, for greatest common factor, it's really just these numbers in the middle, the ones that they have in common that we care about. And that's going to mean that we go 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 gives me 20. So the greatest common factor of 740 is 20.